There comes a moment in life when you have to make a choice. Will you let your past define you, or will you rise above it? This is the story of Daniel, a man who turned his pain into power. Daniel was born into struggle. He wasn't gifted with wealth or privilege. No silver spoon, just obstacles. His father left when he was a child, and his mother worked 2 jobs just to keep food on the table. He wanted more from life, but life had other plans. Every time he tried to get ahead, he was met with rejection, failure, and self-doubt. He started believing maybe he wasn't meant for success. One night, Daniel hit rock bottom. No money, no job, no hope. He sat in the dark and asked himself, "Is this it? Is this all my life will ever be?" But then, something clicked. He realized that no one was coming to save him. No handouts, no shortcuts. If he wanted to change his life, he had to do it himself. So, he made a choice to fight, a choice to grow, a choice to become the person he always knew he could be. He started waking up at 5 a.m., studying, grinding, applying for jobs. He didn't see results right away, but he kept going. Day by day, he became stronger. His failures became lessons. His pain became fuel. His rejections became redirections. Years later, the same people who doubted him were now the ones asking for his advice. He built a career, a business, a life he once thought was impossible. Not because he was lucky, not because life suddenly got easy, but because he refused to quit. Now, listen closely. You have 2 choices. Make excuses or make progress. Nobody will give you success. Nobody will believe in you until you believe in yourself. But if you keep going, if you keep pushing forward, one day your struggle will become your greatest story.